Hello, my name is Kenyatta Kelly with JMK Trucking LLC. Wanted to stop by to give you a little background of what we went through with Bumblebee. My husband has been a truck driver for over 12 years, and we decided to get our own authority to start our business. We called Courtney in one day, and she applied for everything that we needed. We needed our UCR, our BOC3, we needed the authority information. I can tell you she did everything that we needed. We called her in one day, and she had everything rolling. She put us in contact with everybody else that we needed. We had our factoring company. From there, we had someone that would provide us with insurance. So she is wonderful. If you're looking at starting your business, she is a one-stop shop. Everyone that we talked to, that she referred us to, had so many great things to say about her. Saying her name just got us a lot of discounts, and we are so grateful that we ran across Bumblebee and helped us get everything set up. So if you're looking to start your own trucking company, I definitely recommend Courtney at Bumblebee Dispatch. She will get everything that you need in one stop. Thank you, Courtney, for your time and patience, and we look forward to working with you again.